Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make tomato stuff with pork. This is the Cambodian recipe, but you can also find this recipe in other cuisine as well. And remember, you can watch this video in HD. So now let's start cooking together. First, we need to cut off the top and the bottom parts of the tomato. Cutting the bottom parts of tomato is very important because it will help tomatoes stand still on the baking tray or in the pot while steaming. Use the spoon to remove the seed and flesh inside tomato to make the pocket for meat stuffing. Do not throw away the flesh and seed because we're going to use it for making the sauce. Now it's time to prepare other vegetable. Finely chop half onion. And finely chops around 1 tablespoon of carrot. Finely chop some spring onion. The spring onion will give the nice flavor to the whole dish and as well as the nice color. Last but not least, 2 cloves of garlic. For the protein, I'm using pork and this is about 250 grams. You can use less or more depending on how many people you're going to serve. Add in all the vegetables that we have chopped earlier into the pork. Along with 1 egg and other seasoning like 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Combine all the ingredients together, and especially we have to mix until the pork and the vegetable become one texture. Take a small amount of it, fry it in the frying pan or microwave it for around 30 seconds to taste it before you stuff in tomato. Now it's the stuffing time. Stuff the meat inside the tomato and stuff it until it reaches to the top like a small mountain. And today I'm going to bake this tomato instead of steaming. Actually, Cambodian people enjoy steaming it, but I prefer baking. And you can use any cook method that you like. Put tomato into the ovens and bake it for 45 minutes at 170 Celsius. And this is the tomato seed and flesh that I'm blending and strain out the seed Bring the juice to boil by adding some salt, sugar, garlic, some fish sauce, and cornstarch. And this is the sauce. Serving it with this sauce is perfect, and it's also increased the tomato flavor to the whole dish. After 45 minutes, the tomato is fully cooked and it looks so delicious right now. To serve, pour the sauce all over the stuffed tomato and serve it with rice or the bread. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give this recipe a try. And if you have any comment or question, please let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!